Hi guys, how are you all doing? It's been so long that I have filmed a video, and I just wanted to do a small video for you, my YouTube family, my small YouTube family. You guys have shown me so much love, so much support for my travel videos, and I'm very thankful for that. So how are you all doing? It's been very long, and you all know that this is a travel channel, and yeah, right now my channel is on hold, and I am definitely not looking forward to travel anytime soon this year, because we all should stay home, घर पे रहो, safe रहो. So yeah, I mean, and in a situation like this, my heart goes out to all those who are severely affected by this pandemic, and I only wish for the speedy recovery, and my prayers and wishes are with those. And I also I'm very much positive that we all will come out, very will be a safer, it will be a safer place for all of us, and we all will come out of it. I am very positive on that. So, how are you all? I mean, what have you all been doing this quarantine? And let me know in the comments below. Um, I haven't been doing much. Yeah, as some of you all know, that I have been pursuing architecture, and this month it has come to an end. So I have been working on my design, and I have been cooking a bit. और cooking तो मुझे पहले से ही मतलब 4-5 साल से मैं कर रही हूँ, तो that is ठीक है वो, it's not something I've learned new, but yeah, I've picked on few skills, like maybe I was reading few books, articles. I was watching some really good documentaries on Netflix. तो हाँ, ये कुछ important, I mean not really important, but कुछ I think productive चीज़ें मैं कर रही थी. तो yeah, so I just thought, like, you know what, I will definitely post something, and will I would want to interact with you all over this video. It's a small chit chat. So the main thing what I felt like I would discuss in this video is, guys, I know that this is such a hard time for us. It's a time where we all are social distancing, and there are people who have not even met their family members, and their loved ones, and friends, relatives. There are also people who are staying with their family, which is okay. So in a time like this, in a tough time like this, मैं ऐसे बहुत लोगों को जानती हूँ जो जिनसे मैं बात करती हूँ. आई हैव बीन इन कांस्टेंट टच विद देम, एंड I have seen that there are few of them who are feel so lonely, so miserable. They have no one to talk to. They have this weird feeling going on inside them, that they're not feeling good. They basically not feeling good at all. And in a time like this, it's very natural, guys. It's Trust me, you are not alone. We all are feeling like that. Some of us do not speak that out, we kind of keep it inside, and some of us who are brave enough, they speak that out. And I suggest you all, whoever's not feeling good at this time mentally, whoever's feeling very mentally disturbed, I suggest you all to speak it out. Maybe there would be someone who could help you with it. There would be someone who would lend a helping hand. Do whatever you feel like to do, and don't even feel for a second that this is a weird feeling, this is not natural. No, it's very natural, because we humans, we are not used to a thing, at least our generation, ये हम used to नहीं है इससे. हमने कभी देखा नहीं है ये पैंडेमिक, तो हमारे लिए थोड़ा डिफरेंट है. ये सोशली डिस्टेंस करना, ये लॉकडाउन होना, ये बहुत डिफरेंट है. तो इट्स नथिंग वियर्ड, ठीक है. तो मैं यही बताना चाहती हूँ कि मैं उन दोस्तों को ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि आई एम विद यू, और मैं मेरी यूट्यूब फैमिली को भी ये भी बताना चाहती हूँ कि कोई कुछ भी फील कर रहा हो, प्लीज़ आप मुझे कमेंट्स में ये बताइए, एंड आई विल डू वॉट एवर इट टेक्स टू हेल्प यू गाइज, because I love talking to people. I talk a lot. Yeah, most of you know that. So आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू. अच्छा, और एक बात ये है कि टू ऑल द सिंगल्स आउट देयर, please try this online dating app. I mean, if you really want to connect to someone, I am telling you, trust me, it's not so bad. You can probably go for this dating app which is Bumble. You meet really nice people. ये इतना भी बुरा नहीं है. I'm pretty sure, maybe if you try you would understand. तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि you could try on something new, because quarantine time है and हम लोग इतने भी busy नहीं हैं. लेट्स ऑल अग्री टू दिस. हम थोड़ा टाइम तो निकाल ही सकते हैं लोगों से बात करने के लिए. तो ये बम्बल ऐप इज़ वेरी गुड. मे बी यू कैन गिव इट अ शॉट. तो दिस इज़ फॉर ऑल द सिंगल्स. And yeah, so pretty much you could all tell me what you have been doing, suggest me some ideas, how I could what kind of videos you would want. But अभी के लिए तो ट्रैवल चैनल होल्ड पे है. No travel videos this year, guys. I'm really sorry. I know this is bad, but कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हैं. At least जब तक ये कुछ सही नहीं होता है, we can't even think of anything, right? It's safer to stay at home, safer for everybody, and yeah, I suggest you all to do that, please. So anyway, guys, I mean, thanks for watching this video, and please share this video to, to your friends, your loved ones, close ones, and और जो भी नए देख रहे हैं वीडियो, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल. I won't let you down, guys. I promise I would put some good content once this the situation is a little better. That's it, guys. So I had a great time interacting with you all, and I hope you like this video. So bye, much love.